Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you again with another awesome video for you. Now, this is regarding weight loss, and I'm going to show you another powerful way to lose 30 pounds in only 15 days. And it's simply using easy ingredients you find in your cabinets. Now, this is similar to a smoothie that I made before, but this is going to help to get that weight off of you, flush down that water weight, burn off that belly fat, and we're using easy ingredients. So you're going to need a full-size blender. And to start off, you're also going to need at least 750 mLs of your filtered water. So we're going to put that in our blender. Okay, you're also going to need at least 2 inches of ginger, fresh ginger root. Okay, put that in there as well. Now the ginger is going to make you feel full, it's going to suppress your appetite, it's going to also help to burn that fat, and it's great for digestion. And also a cup of pineapples. Now pineapples is going to help burn that belly fat, is low in calories, it's going to increase your metabolism, and it's going to help with weight loss. So we're going to put that in there too. Lastly, you're going to need 1 cucumber. Now if it's a mini cucumber, you can use 2, but for now we're going to use 1, and we're going to leave the peel on because we need that fiber. So wash your cucumbers very clean. Now cucumbers has 0 fat and it's low in calories, and it gives you that hydrating effect because it's mostly made up of water. It's going to keep your body cool, and it's full of fiber. Okay, so we're just going to cut that into big chunks. And this was a big cucumber, so we only needed 1. Now this cucumber is going to give at least 2 cups of water. Okay, no sweeteners are needed in this drink, so do not add any type of sweeteners. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're just going to blend this up. And there you have it, you guys, your delicious weight loss drink. So what you're going to do is you're going to pour at least 500 mLs of this and drink this in the morning on an empty stomach. Okay, 20 minutes or so before breakfast, you're going to have a drink. Alright? Then, this evening, before bed, you're going to finish up the concoction. Okay? Because you're going to store the balance of this in the refrigerator. You're going to drink this drink in 2 parts. You're going to drink it in the morning on an empty stomach, and you're going to have light meals throughout the day. You're going to eat healthy, you're going to eat light meals, and then before bedtime you're going to finish the rest of this drink. Now this may seem like a lot, but it's not. Okay, drink it after dinner, after your last meal, sip it throughout the evening, and what this drink is going to do, it's going to help you to shrink 30 pounds off of your body in only 15 days. Drink this every day for the next 15 days while eating light, healthy meals, and you're going to see some serious changes in your waist. You're going to drop and shrink at least 4 to 5 inches in your waist. Your belly area is going to be slimmed down, and you're going to definitely see some signs and shrinkage throughout your body. So just know this is a wonderful detox drink, and you drink this room temperature, refrigerated, and this is what's going to do it for you. Okay, so again, you guys, thank you for joining me on this wonderful fat burning weight loss smoothie video, and join me again on the next one because I got more coming your way. Also check down below for the personal size and full size NUTRIBULLET blenders, and also for the metal reusable straws and other things that I have wonderfully packed down there for you. Also, you guys, go to my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will see hair care, skincare, fashion hauls, story times, family challenges, and more. Okay? And make sure you subscribe and turn your notifications on for that as well. And you guys, don't forget, your big sis and auntie loves you. And until the next video, I will see you then. Welcome YouTube family. This is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel. And this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe as well as turn on your notification bell. And I will see you there.